Hey everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawg. Just a quick reminder here at Chef Dawg, we review food from Costco and then we taste it at the end. We let you know what we think. But I'm gonna blow your mind with something. This is something that I discovered on a trip heading down to Arizona from Utah. And I had some beef jerky that I love. And by the way, I love the turkey beef jerky. That's my favorite. This runs right now about 14 bucks. Well, I just so happen to have some mini peppers as well. And I'm heading down the road and my wife was driving because I was tired and I was bored. And I thought to myself, you know what? I love beef jerky. And I was taking these for salads and stuff and I thought, that looks delicious. That fresh, right? It's a fruit, a vegetable, what I don't even know what these are. Are these vegetables? Are peppers fruits or vegetables? I'm gonna go with fruit, wait. So it's probably a fruit? But anyways, what if I took the two and I stuffed the beef jerky in it? So take the pepper, rip the top off, hollow it out, get the seeds out of the middle if you want to. So you got the pepper like that. You take your beef jerky, break it up into smaller pieces, and all you do is you stuff it in the pepper like that. That, my friends, is delicious. Now I hunt and do stuff like that out in the outdoors, and I introduce this to my buddies. This is now one of our go-to meals out in the field. It actually fills you up quick. For dinner tonight, this is all I'm having. Because we didn't have anything made, and I thought, well, I'm not crazy hungry, but I'm gonna have me a pepper with my beef jerky. They should just make this in a package like this that you buy at Costco and you just take them home with you and have a bunch. So good. This is like a shish kebab that you didn't have to cook on the barbecue. It's like a fresh shish kebab. Anyway, you'll love it. Highly recommend. Thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Have a good one. We review through